Welcome to the Regenerative Farming Blueprint course. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools to transform your farm into a resilient, sustainable, and profitable system that works in harmony with nature. The Regenerative Farming Blueprint is a 10-month comprehensive course blending practical knowledge with ecological design principles. It covers soil health, water management, biodiversity, farm design, and market strategies to help you develop a productive, sustainable, and profitable farm system. Regenerative farming focuses on restoring ecosystems by rebuilding soil health, enhancing biodiversity, and improving water retention. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also increases farm resilience and profitability. Our goal is to provide you with practical tools and strategies to regenerate soil, manage water effectively, increase biodiversity, and build a resilient farm system. By the end of the course, you'll have a personalised blueprint for your farm. The course consists of 10 core modules, each designed to build your understanding of regenerative farming step by step. Every module includes video lessons, reading materials, quizzes, and practical assignments to apply directly to your farm. The course runs for 10 months but is designed to fit into your schedule. Each module can be completed in about a month, but you can move at your own pace. You'll have lifetime access to the materials. Each module focuses on a key aspect of regenerative farming, from soil health and water management to farm design and market opportunities. You'll integrate these topics into your final design portfolio, your farm's blueprint. In Module 1, you'll learn about regenerative design principles and freshwater management strategies. You'll start developing your Freshwater Farm Plan, an integral part of your final design, focusing on systems thinking and efficient water management. Module 2 focuses on analysing your farm's unique geography, climate and ecological conditions. You'll learn to observe natural systems interactions, enabling you to design a farm system that works with nature. Biodiversity is essential for farm resilience. In Module 3, you'll explore techniques for increasing plant, animal, and microbial diversity on your farm, promoting natural pest control, enhancing soil fertility, and building ecosystem stability. Effective water management is critical to any farm's success. In Module 4, you'll explore water harvesting techniques like swales and keyline design to improve drought resilience and reduce erosion on your farm. Healthy soil is the foundation of productive agriculture. In Module 5, you'll dive into soil regeneration techniques such as composting, cover cropping, and no-till farming to build fertile soil and support a thriving soil microbiome. Market opportunities are key to sustaining a profitable farm. In Module 6, you'll learn to identify market trends, create a financial plan, and diversify income streams, exploring ways to access premium markets like organic certification. Topography plays a critical role in farm design. In Module 7, you'll analyse your land's contours and elevation to optimise farm layout, design efficient water management systems, and determine the best placement for crops and livestock. Adapting to climate change is essential for long-term farm resilience. In Module 8, you'll conduct a site-specific analysis, identifying microclimates and developing strategies to make your farm more resilient to extreme weather conditions. In Module 9, explore regenerative grazing practices and orchard design. Learn to integrate trees with livestock grazing systems to improve soil health, increase water retention, and create a productive, biodiverse ecosystem. Community is an essential part of regenerative farming. In Module 10, you'll explore ways to engage with your local community, share resources, and collaborate with other farmers while finalising your comprehensive farm design. Every module includes practical assignments that you'll apply directly to your farm. These hands-on tasks ensure that your learning translates into real-world outcomes, implementing regenerative techniques like soil regeneration and water management. Throughout the course, you'll develop your final design portfolio, integrating everything you've learned. It serves as both a practical tool for your farm and a key part of your course assessment, including water management and market planning. Your final design portfolio will include a Freshwater Farm Plan, ensuring your water management practices comply with New Zealand's regulations. This plan helps manage water resources responsibly for long-term sustainability. In addition to core modules, choose from optional modules to explore regenerative farming in specific contexts. Topics like agroforestry and eco-home design allow you to customize the course to your farm's unique needs. Upon completing the course, you'll earn 2 certifications: the Regenerative Farming Blueprint Certificate and the globally recognized Permaculture Design Certificate. These certifications demonstrate your expertise in sustainable farm design. Your journey toward creating a sustainable, regenerative farming system starts now. We're excited to see how you apply what you've learned to transform your farm. Let's get started!